This Nugget ice maker is easy to use. It can make a lot of ice, 34 pounds of ice per day. The company sent me this in exchange for this video. Let's take a look at some of the features. The scoop has its own storage space. I like that it's up here and doesn't have to sit on the countertop. The lid simply opens. This bucket is removable, and you remove the bucket in order to add water. I'll show you how to do that. Conveniently, there is a max fill line. Operation is very simple. There's a single button. This light will change colors if there's a code it's trying to communicate with you. Mostly just stays white. This is a light that comes on if you need to add water, and this light will come on when it's full, and it's almost full. It starts making ice pretty fast. I put water in this, turned it on, got the puppies ready, went on a 10-minute walk, and when I was back, it was already making ice. I'd say it took between 15 and 20 minutes before ice cubes were falling. If you need to drain the system completely, there is a rubber stopper here, and it will let all the water out pretty easily. That way you don't have to turn it upside down. Cheers. I love having these small ice nuggets. It's just a premium feel, and they're more convenient because when you have the big ice nuggets, sometimes when you're drinking, they'll fall onto your face. Small nuggets, much better in my opinion. To clean the ice maker, the instructions go over that process. It's a simple matter of running some diluted vinegar water through the system several times. Very easy.